This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment, educational purposes only, and anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. Listen, I did a video earlier today where I explained to you guys that what Apex did by lending out those shares without their client's permission was a felony. And there's some people that don't seem to understand that this is a criminal act. This is not a civil act. This is a criminal act. And maybe I didn't explain it clear enough. So let me give you guys an example so you can understand how what they did was criminal and they should have been indicted and ended up in handcuffs instead of getting a $3.2 million fine, which means absolutely nothing to them because they will engage in that same behavior again and again and again. And they are not the only brokers that are doing it. Okay, brokers lend out our shares without our permission, and they know there's no real consequences, but it is a felony. It is fraud. It is stealing. Let me break something down to you guys. And put on your third grade hat. Put on your third grade hat. You have a vacation property. Okay? You have this vacation property and you give it to a real estate office and you tell them, watch the property, make sure the grass is cut, make sure it's fine, take care of the property so when I'm ready to use it, I can go use it. And I'm not getting any tickets for like garbage and any other violations. And unbeknownst to you, this real estate agent who you are paying, who has a fiduciary responsibility to you to maintain your property, is renting out your property without your permission and pocketing the cash. And not only that, he is renting out your property to somebody whose intent it is to destroy the value of your property. If you took those same facts to the police station and they gave those same facts to the prosecutor, to the DA, the district attorney, what would happen to that real estate agent? They would be arrested for fraud, because they are stealing from you. You told them to watch your property, safeguard your property, make sure it's okay, keep it clean. And they took your property without telling you, rented it out, and pocketed the money. And it gets even worse. They pocketed the money, but then put it on your books as income and gave you a taxable event that you were not aware of. That is what Apex did to their clients. Okay? That is what Apex did to their clients. Their clients left their shares with Apex. They told Apex, please take care of my shares. I want to make sure they're okay. And Apex lent out their shares without their permission, pocketed the rental money, and then gave them a taxable event. Tell me, in what scenario would that not be fraud? Tell me, in what scenario would that not be a felony? That wouldn't be something that's paid for with fines. That is indictments. That is handcuffs. That is people going to jail. But in the United States of America, they can rob and steal at will in the U.S. stock market with no real consequences. So all you guys who telling me that this is not a felony, if your real estate agent did what Apex did, would that be a felony? Would that be fraud? Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.